Again, guys, my name is Ramon Carter. Welcome to my channel. I'm making a video about this about an autoresponder. It's a free autoresponder right here. I just teach about affiliate marketing, network marketing. And affiliate marketing is basically someone who helps people promote other people's products for commission. So affiliate marketing is a good career to have. That's my niche, right? That's my niche market. People from all over the world are into affiliate marketing. And I'm making this video about autoresponder. This autoresponder is basically like to help you promote your digital products to your customers. Like if you have like customers, if you have a specific product that your customers is interested in, let's say you might have 100 customers. This is basically this autoresponder is basically to use for email marketing. This is an email marketing autoresponder. This is to help you to promote your product and share your knowledge with people. Cause that's my goal, right? I'm an online marketer, affiliate marketer, and my goal is like to help other people to become successful and stuff like that online. So I have been studying online marketing for about 4 years now. I have gained lots of knowledge. Let's see, for the autoresponder, sometimes you need to learn about a landing page. This thing to have the landing page builders and stuff like that there. This is a free autoresponder. I got step-by-step training. I'm gonna put a link in the description down below. So they have training. They have step-by-step video training showing you how to set up your autoresponder. I recently came across this, so I am new to this here right now, and I am just sharing my knowledge with you guys about this autoresponder that I came across. It's free to join. It's a free autoresponder. No need to spend no money, no nothing like that. It's free for life, and you have unlimited contacts, unlimited emails to send. You don't even have to pay for. You don't have to pay for none of that. Unlimited contacts, unlimited emails, unlimited landing page builders and stuff like that there. Autoresponder, auto tweet, step-by-step video training. Everything in here is free. I show you step by step. This video, when you come in, watch this video, log in. You need to create your account. Just put in your name and your email address, sign up for free, and you will have access to this autoresponder here for life. So you can promote your products and services to your customers and your clients, your digital products. Because I'm an affiliate marketer, and affiliate marketer basically help other people to help promote. Affiliate marketer help promotes other people's products for commission based. You can make like from 50% up to from 80%, from 50 to 80, sometimes even 100% commission. You could be selling like a $500 product too. It depends on what kind of niche you in. If you want to sell a weight loss product, teaching people how to make money and stuff online, cause that's my niche, right? My niche is basically like to teach people how to make money and stuff online. That's an affiliate marketer. An affiliate marketer is some person who helps other people. Affiliate marketer is some person that promotes other people's products for commission. You don't even actually have to own the products. You just need to promote your people's product for commission. So this autoresponder is basically to send emails, right? So let's say you might have a weight loss product, and then you might have like 100. Imagine if you have 100 customers that interested in weight loss, but you will have 100 customer email address. Then you will save those people's email addresses in your autoresponder, and then you could just write a message and then send out like 100. Just send to your 100 customers, and let's leave your link in the description in your email, and then your customer buy from you basically. So building, because you know, as an affiliate marketer, we all have heard that the money's in the list, right? Yeah, we all heard that the money's in the list. That's why I was searching, doing my research and stuff, that how I came across this opportunity. I came across this by doing my research. How to make money on Twitter by selling ClickBank product. So in this autoresponder, if you don't know what ClickBank is, they're going to show. I think this here shows you about ClickBank, and you will have access to thousands of products. It's going to show you how to get access to thousands of products to promote to your customers. So within ClickBank, you can pick any kind of product you want to promote to your customers. So as I said, Autoresponder is basically used to send out emails to your clients. That's what an Autoresponder is. Well, this thing here pop up for me. Beware of virus. Your PC is highly secure. Well, sorry about that there. I don't want to exit out of this here though. So as I said, Autoresponder. So this is the Autoresponder. So this is step-by-step training. You have step-by-step training. So we can tell you everything you need to know about Autoresponder within this program. So I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. Click on it. Come and join for free. Have access to your free Autoresponder for life. No, you don't have to pay for this. It's free. Step-by-step training. You get lots of value within this Autoresponder. So the owner that created this here is going to show you step by step. Let me see the name of this here training. Autoresponder training videos, called List Builder. Previously called List Builder. The following video will guide you through the features and tools available for the Autoresponder tool. Next video, come and watch this video. Then next video going to tell you how to add your lead magnet book to your blog or blogger. Next video, how to create laser targeted campaigns with list automation and squeeze page questions. Auto tweet training videos. Introduction to making money by selling other people's products. You can watch this video here too as well. This next video, the secret sauce of passive income spinning. Watch this video. And creating your first auto tweet campaign. This is the next video, step-by-step video training. And this next video is digging deeper into ClickBank. ClickBank have thousands of products which you will have access to ClickBank. It's free to create an account. I already have an account with ClickBank already. So, and the next video is creating your IFTT account. They're going to show you what that is and everything. Connecting your auto tweet campaign to Twitter. Everything step-by-step video, creating your ITF account. I'm new to this here, so I'm just sharing this here. You guys, I gotta get used to this here. Know to myself, I already signed up with this. I just come across this here about two or 3 days ago, so I'm new to this here too as well, so I now gotta get used to this website. Passive income that lasts forever. The secret to 100% passive income that lasts forever. So you're gonna learn what an autoresponder is about. Everything you need to know about ClickBank products, how to promote products, step-by-step training. Everything got frequent ask questions. You have frequent ask questions. Everything you need to know. So I'm going to place the link in the description down below. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Let me see what else they have. They have home. Click on the home page. I already signed up for this here, man. Ready? So you click on the home page. This is a free autoresponder for affiliate marketing. step-by-step training, gallery, everything you need to know. They have a premium membership where you can upgrade for $7 US per month. But this is free though. You don't have to pay. You don't even have to pay for that. This is honestly free. Free training, free autoresponder for life. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna paste my link in the description down below. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video. And I like connecting with other business-minded people, because my goal as an affiliate marketer is to share my business, share my knowledge with people, as I am doing right now. I'm sharing this opportunity here with you to help you on this website. They're going to explain to you everything you need to know about the autoresponder. You're gonna get access to products to promote, and everything you need to know about what autoresponder is, and how the top marketers make money, and why people get left behind. This is what affiliate marketing. They have different levels of affiliate. They have new people that come in, and then they have people that have been in the game for like over 2 years, 3 years. They have new people in the game too as well. So thanks for watching my video. They have branded books. You can learn about all this here. Autoresponder, auto tweet, auto blog. Let me see what else I got here. Branded books gallery, and most importantly, you want to go out to this training and learn about training. So thanks for watching. As I said before, subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and click on the bell icon so you will get notified when next I am bringing up more videos. And plus, on my YouTube channel, you could go and click on my videos and check out my playlist too as well. You could get as much value from my playlist and get more education and learn. Because I save some videos on my playlist, so you can click on my picture on my YouTube channel and go and see my playlist and get more value. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna place the link in the description down below. So like my video, share my video, and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. That's about it for me. Until next time. Have a good night.